Are you looking for the best beach carts and wagon? In this video we will look at some of the best beach carts and wagon on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. MacSports Collapsible Folding Outdoor Utility Wagon. Weston also likes this more affordable MacSports wagon, which has proved popular with hundreds of strategist readers over the years as well. Unlike our best overall pick above, this wagon has smaller wheels that are evenly weighted rather than triangulated. Weston says it folds completely flat and can carry a lot of weight. While combing the more than 5,000 reviews for this beach wagon, we noticed the two consistent points of praise are its durability and convenience. Other things to like, according to those reviewers, include an easy-to-steer handle, the wagon's foldable construction, and its generous size. About this item: 600 denier polyester. Imported. Large capacity, sets up in seconds, no assembly required. Outside dimensions approximate 35" by 20" by 23" inside dimensions approximate 32.5 inches by 17.5 inches by 10.5 inches. Convenient compact storage wagon folds to only 8" thick. Folded size approximate 29.5 inches by 20 inches by 8 inches and includes a convenient carry case. Weighs 24.5 pounds. Lighten the load. The heavy-duty frame allows loads up to 150 pounds, and the durable 600D fabric can be easily cleaned. UV and mildew resistant. Functional features include an adjustable handle for effortless transport and 2 mesh cup holders to keep your beverages secure. Easy transport, perfect for hauling gear to outdoor sporting events, concerts, trips to the park, and great for use around the house. Please note that it is not made to transport children. At number 2. MacSports Collapsible Folding Outdoor Beach Wagon with Side Table. Strategist senior editor Kayleen Schaefer has spent several seasons honing her on-the-sand setup, which includes a beloved Shabumi beach shade. To cart all of their gear to the perfect spot each time, her boyfriend, Julian Ducastel, invested in this MacSports wagon that features a built-in side table with 2 drink holders and space for food. While they both think the wagon is great, Ducastel notes that the big wheels make this wagon more difficult to store in a car. If you think you would have similar issues, the MacSports wagon above has a much smaller set. Easily haul your gear with the MacSports Folding Utility Wagon. It opens in seconds. The lightweight durable design has a 150 pounds capacity and is a must-have to transport heavy bulky loads. Great for trips to the park, camping, outdoor sporting events, gardening, and much more. Rear table comes with 2 uniquely designed cup/phone holders for your favorite drink and snacks, and folds down when not in use. The accordion-style floor makes setup and breakdown a breeze. It folds easily into its own carry bag for compact storage. MacSports is a trusted brand since 1993. At number 3. MacSports Beach Day Lounger. As readers of this site know, we're always looking for ingeniously designed products, especially ones made so thoughtfully they can be used in multiple ways. So as we trolled the internet researching beach wagons, it shouldn't be too surprising to hear that this one, which becomes an actual beach chair, stopped us in our tracks. While some wagons on this list can be converted to become more like chairs, this one is designed to transform into the exact style of lounger you would otherwise tote with you. MacSports says this model, when locked into its wagon shape, easily rolls over grass, pavement, or sand thanks to its rugged wheels, which can hold up to 100 pounds. Once you've found your spot, the cart can be folded out into a lounger with a built-in pillow headrest for added comfort and can support even more weight. As a chair, it holds up to 225 pounds. At number 4. Radio Flyer Trav-ler Stroll and Wagon. Radio Flyer's Trav-ler Stroll and Wagon makes traveling a breeze for on-the-go families. The convenient push or pull design features 2 modes, our never-fall wagon pull handle in the front and an adjustable push bar on the back. The easy one-hand fold allows this wagon to be stored anywhere, and the folding lock on the frame ensures it stays folded when not in use. The included travel cover protects the wagon while folded and features a large zippered storage pouch that holds the removable accessories and other travel necessities. A rear brake and 2 5-point safety harnesses keep little ones as young as 12 months safe and comfortable. Thoughtfully designed parent features like cup holders, a removable rear storage bag, and a peekaboo window on the UV protection canopy make this the ideal vehicle for your whole family. The side also zips down for stationary bench seating. The durable rubber wheels with bearings provide a smooth ride on almost any terrain. It also features DuraClean 2.0, our highest quality fabric, which is durable, easily cleaned and made to last. Maximum weight capacity 120 pounds. For 1+ years. For additional questions, support, or concerns, please contact our customer service team at https://www.trav-ler.com/customer-service or 1-800-621-7613.